everyone. So in the last video, we understand how many types of different joins are there. So that is inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. So when you talk about inner join, if there are two tables, when there is a common entry or common record between both of these tables, the intersection part, that means the common entries between both the tables will be displayed. So how we are going to display that? So we will see that now. So let us say customers is my table and orders is my another table. So this is my first table and this is my second table. So if you look at, we have customer IDs 2, 5, 12, 10, 11, and I have the same customer ID column in my orders table as well. So I have 2, 5, 12, and 16 and 18. So if you look at the customer table will provide you the information about the customer, and the orders table will provide the respective order IDs for the customers. That means the customer ID, whatever we have in the customer table, the corresponding order IDs are available. So now if you see both these tables, we have only 2, 5, 12, 2, 5, 12 common in both the tables. So if I apply inner join on these two tables, I am going to get only these records. 2, 5, 12 records only will be displayed from both these tables. That means how I'm going to display that. So let us say this is my customers table. I'm going to show you what is there in. So 2, 5, 12 and Pavan, Arun, Tarun. So these are the names. And then I have orders. If you look at orders table, I have order number 2, 5, 12 and the corresponding order ID and the corresponding order date. So now what I am going to do is I wanted to do a inner join. So for that, the syntax is like this. You are going to write the select whatever the columns you wanted to display, and from table 1, that is customers table, and inner join table 2, that is your customer table, orders table, and then whatever the common column from table 1 and common column from table 2, that is our customer ID field. So how I am going to write the query? Let us say I'll just replace the same thing here. See here, I wanted to display my customers table. From customers table, I wanted to see the customer name or customer ID, and then I wanted to see the customer's name dot customer's name, and I wanted to see the corresponding order from the orders table. Orders dot order, orders dot order ID. And if you wanted to see the date also, you can write. So what is your table 1? Your table 1 is customers and your table 2 is orders. So what is the table 1? You just take the customers as table 1, orders as your table 2, and both the places common entry is, the column name is customers ID. So like this you will write the query and execute it and see what is going to happen. See, you will be getting customer ID, customer name from the customers table and order ID from the orders table. So 2, 5, 12. So these are the common entries between both of them. So if you wanted to add order date, you can add it here. Orders dot order date, and run the query and see what is going to happen. Customer ID, customer name, order ID, order date, right? So you are going to write order date. Just add the order date and then run the program and see what is going to happen. So corresponding order date also has displayed. So this is how you will use inner join when you wanted to display only the records which are common between both these tables. So that is how we will make use of inner join. Now we will move on to the left join. So when I say left join, if there are two tables, customers and orders table, so if there are common entries between these two tables, if I make use of left join, it will display the common entries and all the records from the left side table, which are from the left table only, but from right table, only the things which are common that will get displayed. Let us say if you take this table as an example, and if I apply left join, 2, 5, 12 records are common between both of these tables, but 10, 21 is additional, which is from the customers table only, but orders table does not have that record. So now if I have to tell you what is the syntax, so you will be having this: select the column names from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot column name and table 2 dot column name. So how are we going to do? Customers dot customer ID, I am making use of the same thing, and instead of inner I will use left. See, customers dot customer ID, customers dot customer name, orders dot order ID, orders dot order date. I have taken all these, and my left table is customers and right table is orders. So now if you run this program, this query, what is going to happen? See here, 2, 5, 12, 10, 21. So these are from my left table. But whereas the corresponding record is not there, matching record for 10 and 21, that's the reason those values are displayed as null. Now you may get a question: if I use orders here as my first table, and if I use customers as my second table, what is going to happen? That means it will take only the records, all the records from orders. Now you run the query and then display what is going to happen. See here, all the records from order table which are common, that will be displayed, but from the customers table it will fetch only the records which are common. So whatever you write here, the one which you are going to write the first table, and the one which you are writing here is a second table. So based on that, it will pull the records and it will display the required information. Now, if I have to go with the next example, it is the same as left, but whereas it will pull only the information which is from the right table. So that means when there are two tables, and the right join will pull the information from the right table along with the common records from the left table as well. So what is that it is going to do? So now if I have to write the syntax, it will be same: select your column names whatever you wanted to see from the table 1, right join, and then table 2 on table 1 dot column name is equal to table 2 dot column name. So now I am going to have my customers as left table and orders as right table, and then I'll use right. Then it should pull the information from the right table. That means this entire information should come, and from this table only 2, 5, 12 records should come. So that is how it will be displayed. Now you go and see what is going to happen. See, from customers table 2, 5, 12 only got displayed. From right side, all the tails from the order table has come: 301, 302, 303, 304, and 305. See, all the records have come. So this is how you will be making use of the joins according to the requirement. Now, the last one we are going to talk about is full outer join. So full outer join means you will have to display the records from table 1 and table 2, and but at least there should be a match between these two records. So whenever there is a match, it will display all the records from both the tables. So how